बजेटाच्या प्रतिक्रिया.
Growth oriented, people centric budget presented by the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant in keeping with the commitment of Swayapurna Goa, Atmanirbhar Goa by 2037. So Vikasit Bharat and Vikasit Goa. With that commitment, this budget will make a big way in fulfilling that commitment.
सर तुमचे डिपार्टमेंटाक जो एलोकेशन जाला ते कशा तरेन पळयता?
I have no problems. Whatever Chief Minister takes a decision, my responsibility is to implement. So I will try to make best use of whatever is allotted to my department.
सर 1 वर्षात 5,000 नोकऱ्यांची फुलफिल होणार का?
ऑलरेडी कितलेशे नोकऱ्यो फुलफील जाले न्ही. आता पयर ताणें प्रेस घेवन सांगला मरे सर. तो प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार जावपाक शकता, जावपाक शकना अशें ना.